Hey, what's up, you YouTubers? I'm out here messing with this gsxr 94 gsxr 750. You know, I've done a lot of work on this bike. You know, I had all this stuff redone. I don't know what all this stuff goes to, but I know my CDI box works. My igniter box works. You know, I put the key in, turn it over. Damn, it started up today. Basically, that's what it does every time I try to start it up. Some days it starts, some days it don't. You know what I'm saying? I thought about selling it. I don't know. I got all my plastics downstairs. It's laid out though. Plastic same color the tank is. Uh, ostrich leather seats, you know. But if anybody have any ideas of what it could be, let me know. I know the spark plugs is getting spark. My signal generator, you know, I replaced it. It ran for like 2 hours, then just went back doing the same old thing again. I don't know what it is. If you have any ideas, hit me up. Thanks.